Hi guys, welcome. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my moving vlog or moving series. I am not sure what to call it yet, but today I came to fetch the apartment keys. Where are they? There they are. Let's take them. I am looking on my watch the angle of I came to fetch the apartment keys because I am moving from where I stay. So yeah, but I feel like this vlog you're gonna see after I have already let you guys know that I am moving, so you would know that by now. I don't stay far from where I didn't move far from where I stay. It's literally a walk away. So right now I just got back from work. I love the lighting so much, and imagine, because it's like the lighting after work, isn't that great? Because I can film now. Love that. Anyways, it is a two-bedroom apartment, but yeah, I'll do the tour now and then you guys can see. The thing is, the sun is literally on my eyes, so I can't really keep my eyes on the lens. I don't want to make this long. Also, welcome, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. I'm so happy for this apartment. I hope it makes me productive. I hope I film more. I hope it just comes with great things. I mean, it will. But anyways, I hope I don't procrastinate, you know, all of that. Yeah, the sun is burning me. Okay, bye. This is me walking in kitchen. Yeah, so clearly I can't have a washing machine again, which is something that I really wanted. And then you have your internet area. Then it's on the 28th floor and I'm really afraid of heights. So that's the outside, and the lighting from the kitchen in the afternoon is amazing. Let's start with the bathroom. That's the bathroom. That's me. Where is it? Toilet sit there. The sink and the mirror, love it. And then the shower. Now, there's two things I want to say. First, the shower does not have a door or a shower curtain, so I'll have to sort that out. The second thing is, why is it that in Joburg there's a bathroom and a kitchen always wherever you go? I don't get it. Anyways, you come here. This is what I'm gonna use as my bedroom. You have closet space. These are pretty much tiny. Personally, I think they are small. And then this is the second bedroom. Again, you have your closet space, and then this bedroom that I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I mean, I know, but like, we'll see. And then that's the outside from this side. There is lighting, but there's no direct sunlight. Same as this side, there's lighting, but not direct. With this side, you have lighting for days. That's why I chose lighting, afternoon lighting, because I'll be back at work. And in the morning, if I chose one from the other side, I was not gonna really have lighting because in the morning I'm at work. Kandi, if I knock off at 4, I'll get here at around 5. I'll still have at least an hour to do whatever I need to do in the lighting. So I love this. And I can literally shoot in the kitchen using the cinematic, and it will blur out the behind, so fine. So that's that.
This can't be life if there's a point to losing love.
I just want to show you something because I'm realizing that I am trying to arrange this place, you know, but I am not vlogging. So by the time this place is done, I won't have something to show. I want to keep my bedroom very simple. There's nothing that's gonna go there. And then here, it's a lot going on, but I've tried. Like I've started with that on my cupboard. My thing is now, ouch, how am I gonna arrange this? But this is a mess and I'm probably gonna end with it. So let's just close there. Coming to the kitchen, I'm cooking my first meal of like ever in this place. Still very much everything everywhere, you know, but at least I know it's a mess, right? But this right here is another thing that I like about my place. Besides the lighting that I get when I come back from work, I still get the golden hour as well. I love that.